Good morning, everybody. We are off today. We are headed to, I think, the Griffith Observatory as well, Hollywood, and then we are checking into the Courtyard next to Disneyland, so Anaheim. And so let's go check this out, see what it's all about. Here we go. We are going to come back to the Griffith Observatory when it's a little bit cooler outside. The paid parking is all along the side of the road, and it is $10 an hour, and you have to hike all the way up that hill. So I would rather park in the free parking and hike up the hill, because it's going to take you quite a bit to get up the hill, which means that half of your time for your paid parking is going to be used up just walking. So we'll come back. All right, you guys, we checked into the Courtyard Marriott in Anaheim, and we have a resort view room. Sorry, we have a Disneyland view room. So it looks like, oh look, our mini fridge is up high. That's nice. We can see right into it. And then we've got a microwave up there. Looks like coffee maker and coffee, a couple of drawers. Go back and look in the closet. An ironing board and an iron. We've got a safe and a luggage cart. We've got a small child. And now this is a 2-queen room, and it comes with a bunk bed, which is amazing. Don't jump
so
though.
Cool. I like bunk beds.
Yes, we're super excited about that. There's a little table with a chair. We've got a nice light over top. And then this is our view. Right over top of the lobby, it looks like, or where they park. Now this is what they called an unbelievable view. So I guess we can see the fireworks. Now I did choose this, but little did I know that this is what Parkview looks like. If you were in Orlando, it would be a lot different, and that's what we're used to. So the other side, I read that you can hear that bell clanging, which is part of the water park. And I don't necessarily want to hear that bell clanging all the time. So here we are, Resort View, and I would love to watch the fireworks from out here. Lock that back up. Cool mural in the back of the wall. It looks like we've got some outlets on the side. USB plugs and regular plugs. TV. And then just drawers. All right, here's the bathroom. Hello, everybody. And we've got separate shower tub area with all of our products there. Looks like body wash, 2 body wash, and a conditioner. So I guess maybe that body wash is also shampoo, but I have my own shampoo, so it doesn't matter. We've got the bathing suit line there, grab bar, double sinks, cool mirror. And an extra makeup mirror there. And then, oh wow! Okay, toilet. You don't hear that often when you enter the toilet. And a separate shower altogether. That's pretty cool. Oh, so they have shampoo in here, body wash and conditioner. So maybe we just got lucky and got 2 body wash in the other one. You're not supposed to wash your hair. Awesome. There we go. Very, very cool. So you can have 2 people showering at once. Guys, we made it to Disneyland. We're going to downtown Disney tonight for dinner. And we're walking, hopefully, in the right direction. So let's go find something to eat. Very exciting. It's hot. We saw this place on our list of hotels to check out near Disneyland. Camelot Inn and Suites. There's the Tropicana. That looks like a decent place too. Best Western Plus coming up, pretty close. There's the Tower of Terror over there. We made it into the park. Most people would, who know me would think that I would be so excited about Disneyland, and I am, but I am definitely a Disney World kind of a girl. It's just so immersive, and there's so much there, and I'm excited to see what is different here. But we also got the park hoppers, so tomorrow we'll be going park to park, starting with California Adventure, and yeah. So tonight, let's go to Disney Springs, or what is it called? Downtown Disney. Let's go to Downtown Disney. We're here for the 100th anniversary. There's Earl sandwich. One of my favorites, World of Disney. Oh, feel that air conditioning. That feels good.
Daddy wants to ride. I can't see.
Every night, going to bed with Disney World. I like this one. The green one. Peter Pan. Look at the Crocs. $64.99. I can't imagine wearing those. There's all the t-shirts. all the ears. This one's cute. Very Dumbo. $59.99. Very cute.
Yes.
You guys can get that and wear it out on the street. Like Spider-Man. Oh, they got their Halloween stuff out, look. This one. That's cute. Yeah, I like that. Let's see. $54.99. $34.99. These are cute. Oh, they've got their ears. Let's see how much. Oh, there we go. $34.99. I should know better than to look at tags at Disney. They're always color-coded, or usually color-coded. They have the hand soaps. I don't know how much, but they pump out a little Mickey Mouse on your hand, and I think they're adorable. All right, let's go find this food. Okay, we've been to 2 different restaurants, and we are now going to check out Splitsville. See if they have any space for us.
Well, this is it, right? We've looked at everything. Like, I would suggest that place, but like, I guess this is fine.
You guys ever been here before?
Not to this one, no.
Welcome. Welcome, welcome.
Thank you. There's the bar. You can. Oh, it is. It's a lot brighter up there. We're going to go upstairs, see what's up here. It's so dark down there. So it looks like on the left there's a private party. Oh wow. Top floor is all private party right now. So we're gonna head back down. Okay, I ordered teriyaki chicken here, and we're gonna try it out. This guy's gonna eat a grilled cheese, which is big news over here because usually it's French fries.
Oh, good. Let's see how much you can eat.
Teriyaki chicken looks pretty good. Chicken fried rice.
What?
Grilled cheese, kids grilled cheese. Dinner was alright. Nothing too shabby. I had broccoli on my plate, which was really nice after, you know, traveling for so long. having a bath in the fountain. It's a Disney duck. This looks like a Princess and the Frog fountain. Looking at the Disney home stuff.
Look at this.
You can get Haunted Mansion plates. Yeah.
And they only have one. Ah. I would have grabbed one.
Ornaments. Oh, these are cute too.
How about me and Aiden walk back to the room? Want to walk back to the room?
How about a cocoa tray? Oh, too cute. Encanto. Well, they have different foaming hand soaps in here. Oh my gosh.
You want to tag the water bottle?
No, bud, we have enough water bottles. Aiden, I'm gonna send you to college with. No, that wouldn't be cool.
Look at these dolphin things.
The Stitch things. And they've got churros.
Yes.
These ones, look at these neat mugs. $25. These plates are cute. They have them in black also. This is why I pack small suitcases, so I don't have room for any of the stuff that I would unnecessarily buy. Poison apple. That's cute. It's a nutcracker. Oh my gosh. They light up. Oh, those are cute. If you had a whole family of Disney lovers.
I was gonna ask you, I saw, do you want to do that? Then you can either move or. I'm right, that's what I mean.
Sorry, excuse me. How did we walk by the candy store earlier and not even notice? They have the dress shop as well. Okay. Yes, please. Look, you can get the ice cream bars, the cookies and the bars in the store. This was, it's a jar. Chip and Dale. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. Look, you can get the plates and the bowls. Oh, he's cute too. Yeah, this is totally why I only bring a small suitcase. I know better. I don't need anything.
Practicing.
Peanut butter sandwich.
I saw that shirt earlier.
Yeah, their Haunted Mansion stuff is pretty cute.
Yeah, you know what? I always think that's their best stuff.
Their best line.
$60 for that shirt.
Jeff, where'd you go?
They've got their Halloween stuff out. We should be on Soarin'.
Do they have Soarin' here?
Yeah, I think it's Soarin' around California, maybe? Or did they change it? Soarin' around the world? I don't know. Don't quote me on either of those.
Exactly.
They're adorable. Let's head back on up to our room. Oh, they've got a fire pit outside. Love that. We do have a great room for fireworks. We were unbelievably fortunate to be able to see this from our balcony. Was super cool. And with that, you guys, we will see you all in the morning for our full day at Disneyland. Have a good night. We'll see you tomorrow.